Hi guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I will be showing you how to add your Asimi wallet to your hashing ad space back office or your dashboard. Also, I will be sharing with you how to view your ads and earn daily, and also I will have my link in the description below. So let's get started. Hi guys, my name is Valentine Negron, also known as the Visionary Entrepreneur, and on this video I will be showing you these following steps. First off, once you create your account with hashing ad space, it would prompt you to create what's called a password and also a 6-digit code. That 6-digit code is what's going to be needed to complete this process. Now, once you're in your back office, in order for you to deposit Asimi in your back office, which is the crypto token used in hashing ad space, you will need what's called a Waves wallet. So create your Waves wallet, and in your Waves wallet, you're going to come here to your portfolio, and you will add Asimi. You won't have this here, you have to add it. Over here you'll see send and receive. Click there, and then you will copy your address for Asimi. Now we'll go back here to hashing ad space, and once you're back here in your back office, you're going to click on the button here, transactions, wallet. Once you click on this wallet tab, it's going to bring you here, and obviously you're not going to have any Asimis in here or anything like that. So you're going to click on deposit funds. When you click on deposit funds, it's going to prompt you here to another pop-up page. Unfortunately, you won't have your wallet here yet in this section because you don't have you haven't put your wallet in yet. All right, so you'll have to click here. So you click here, and it'll take you to this page. I already have my wallet added here, but you won't. It's going to ask you for your wallet address on the top, and it's going to ask you for a code in the bottom. Now, a lot of people were having trouble with this code because it looked like if it was a Google Authenticator code needed, and it's not. You don't need a Google Authenticator. You need your 6-digit PIN that you set up when you registered. So once you do that, and you put your 6-digit PIN, it'll right below there. It'll have like a captcha square. You click on it. You might have to click on some symbols. Click on it, and then it will automatically load it up when you hit add, and your wallet should appear, and you're all set to go to be able to deposit Asimi tokens in your back office of hashing ad space. So I hope this was helpful for those people that are having trouble figuring out how to add it, their wallets in their back office. Okay, I know I had myself a little issue doing that. So now I'm going to take you back to the dashboard area, and I'm going to show you how you can start earning daily by watching what's called View to Earn, V2E, View to Earn. Click on the View to Earn, scroll down, and you're going to see different advertisements from advertisers that are promoting their businesses. And as you can see here, this is a 15-second long ad, and it pays out this much in Asimi to your account. Now, these are the shorter ads because I already clicked on certain the bigger ads earlier. So the bigger ones are usually in the top, and I already clicked on all of them, but I'll show you exactly how much Asimi I have here. So let's go back to dashboard so you can see how the Asimi is accumulated by clicking on these and viewing these ads for a certain amount of seconds. So I have 249.6. Remember that. All right, 249.664. So let's go here. Let's watch 2 or 3 of these real quick so I can show you how easy it is to earn Asimi. It's going to ask you to make sure that you're not a robot here. You click on this box, hit submit. Alright, congratulations, you prove you're not a robot. We'll scroll back down again, and let's watch the first ad. So the timer starts ticking. Very simple. Similar to a lot of PTC sites, pay-to-click sites. Very similar, but this one is very lucrative, and I'll tell you a little bit about that as well. Close this. Let's do one more. And I will actually share with you exactly how you can earn a lot more than what you're seeing here, guys. All right. Now you can share hashing ad space with friends and for free, and they could join here, and they could buy advertisement, so they can advertise. You will earn from there of them purchasing banner ads or anything that you see around the website that is promotion and advertisement. If they buy any of these advertisements, you get paid 50% out of that, and you also earn 10% of how many stakes they buy, and I'll explain what the stake is. But first, let me show you my balance of Asimi and show you that it's not at 249.664 no more. As you can see, it went from 249.664 to 785. Now I know that doesn't seem like a lot. Like I told you, I already clicked on all the bigger ones earlier. Now those are the smaller view to earn. You could do up to 50 daily, and if you do 50 daily, you get added to 2 different entry raffles, and if you get picked, you earn a certain amount of free Asimi coins from the company. Now I'm going to show you how you can earn. If you share your referral link, you could earn 10% of what they're viewing. So let's say that someone earned 3, 4, 5, let's say they earned 10 Asimi tokens in 1 week. You're going to earn 1 free token Asimi for them watching their free ads. That's really powerful. That's just for free, guys. So you get someone to join here for free. They get their 10 free tokens. You got 1. You get 10% of whatever tokens they get from viewing. If they start minting, that's where the money starts escalating. All right, Asimi stakes right now, click on this, are worth for 1 stake, and I'll explain what one minting stake is. 1 minting stake is 1,124 Asimis. That's minting stake, I should say. Minting stakes last 365 days. All right, and that would increase your daily earnings, because every day I believe is around 60,000, 70,000 Asimi tokens that get minted. Those tokens get divided between the stake minting holders, basically like owning a stake, a shareholder, you might say. And for these shares that you own, the more you own, the more you see. Right now I have 0 in this account, right? This is just an example account in this one, guys. So right now in this account I have 0 here, as you can see, right? This person has 2 referrals and it has 0 minting stakes. All right, now when you buy a minting stake, it allows you to start minting ads. Over here on the right, you'll be able to click on this, and if you only have 1, you'll be able to watch 1 ad. If you have 2 minting stakes, you'll be able to watch 2 ads, etc. On and on and on. The more stakes you own, the more you will receive when the timer runs out. Every time that the timer runs out, more Asimi tokens get created and they get added to your back office. Now what can I do with these Asimi tokens? Well, you could keep doing what's called compounding and buy more stakes. Or you could cash them out and sell them for Bitcoin and put them in your Bitcoin wallet. So it's really powerful what you got here, guys, in the back office. So I hope you guys had a better understanding of how this works. So basically, to do a recap here, Asimi stakes. Right now, it depends on the price of Asimi token. Right now, you need 1,124 Asimi tokens to have 1 minting stake. These numbers could keep growing if you can keep buying more minting stakes. The more minting stakes you own, the more you receive on the daily payouts when the timer runs out. On top of the view to earn for free, and on top of your referral commissions from earning from your referrals that are free, viewing free ads, and from other referrals that are serious marketers that want to buy advertisement on the website. This is truly powerful, and it's truly amazing. And for a lot of countries out there that 20 bucks, 30 bucks is a lot of money for them, this could make a significant difference in a lot of people's lives. So I hope you guys take advantage of this hashing ad space and come on board. Under the video below, you will see in the description my link to register. So feel free to register. The link is going to be in the description below, and I will gladly help you and welcome you to my team. You can go to my YouTube channel, and you can easily find me on Facebook. And you're on my YouTube channel, you can leave a comment. I'm always paying attention to my comments and responding. Feel free to like this video, subscribe, and click that bell, and share this video with your friends and family that love crypto. This is free crypto, folks. Free crypto. I love it. All right, I know guys that are in hashing hash space that are making 20, 25, 40, 50, even $80 a day using hashing hash space. That's truly powerful, guys. So sky's the limit. So we'll talk in the next video, guys. So I'll see you.